Welcome to Panama City, Panama. Today, we're gonna show you how to take the metro to the airport and then from the airport. Let's go. You'll have to either get a card from one of these stations. You could use this at a terminal to go to the bathroom and things like that. For the metro bus and of course the metro. This is $2. However, this card expires like in 3 months. For example, if you put $10 and then you use the $5, but then you didn't use the other 5 in 3 months, it's gonna expire. Keep that in mind. Or you could pay using your Visa contactless right here. Now we're here, Argentina. We're gonna go all the way to San Miguelito, get on line number 2. And then we're gonna get off of Corredor Sur and then head to the airport. We're gonna use our contactless card. Okay, just like that. So we're gonna take the train towards San Isidro and then we're gonna get off at San Miguelito. Maybe atrás, yo creo. Bueno, a lot of people, it's full. So we're Argentina, then we're gonna go to Cordoba, El Ingenio, 12 October, Pueblo Nuevo, and get off in San Miguelito. Train going the other way. Train is full, as you can see. A lot of people standing up, including us.
Users traveling to the Tocumen International Airport should get off at San Miguelito Station.
So this is our stop here in San Miguelito, so we could get on line number 2. So here's here. So once you get off the metro, come downstairs. You're gonna make it right. Línea 2, and it gives you the aeropuerto, airport, Corredor Sur. So we're gonna go this way. A lot of people, so then you're gonna follow this again, follow the right there, Línea 2 airport. There's 2 lanes, one's going that way supposedly and the other lane going the other way, so make sure you stay in this right lane. Estación San Miguelito, Línea 2. We have to go upstairs. Which way? So this is where we're gonna take our next train, Línea 2, towards Corredor Sur. So we're gonna go from San Miguelito all the way to Corredor Sur, get off there, and then catch the metro to the airport. This área de espera, that means waiting area. This right here is exit area. Alright. So here we are. We just got into San Miguelito, and then we're gonna go all the way to Corredor Sur. The side of Panama that you don't get to see every day. That screen will let you know the next stop. This is going to be our exit, Corredor Sur. So, transfer to the airport. This light's also going to be blinking to show us next stop. So this is our exit, Corredor Sur. Let's get ready. Okay, from here, just come across. So that's the train that just dropped us off. You come across here. And here you have a little sign that kind of lets you know, hey, this way to catch the train towards this place and then towards the airport. So the price that we paid at the first station was 35 cents from there to here. I believe once we get to the airport, it's gonna be 50 cents. So total of 85 cents from Argentina to the airport. We got on Corredor Sur. Next stop's gonna be Itze, and then we're gonna get off here at the airport. If you're enjoying this video, please give us a like, and if you want to see more videos like this or adventures in Panama in other countries, please make sure you subscribe, activate the notification bell, leave a comment, share with your friends and family. The Crown Plaza Hotel, that's the closest hotel to the airport. There's 2, at least 2. There's that one and then Riande, which will have videos of those 2 as well, Crown Plaza and Riande. Welcome to Tocumen International Airport, Panama. That's Terminal 1 over there. This is the train that just brought us here to Tocumen Airport. We're gonna make this left. You'll have the option to use your Visa contactless card. So this is gonna be 50 cents to cross. So, and just like that, very easy. In case you don't have a contactless card, you come here to the ticket booth and buy your tickets here. 2 ATMs, and we're gonna go that way. Bienvenidos a Panama. Here you have where your airlines are at. So Terminal 1 has those airlines, Avianca, Air Canada, etc. And Terminal 2 has Copa, Air France, KLM, United. There's also an elevator that you could use, or you could use the stairs.
The hard way or the easy way.
So once you come downstairs, you're gonna have two choices. Terminal 2 to your right hand side, Terminal 1 to your left hand side. And going to the right hand side, you'll see that little bus station up there, shuttle bus. So we're gonna go right there, and the bus should come over here and pick us up right here. Okay, so you could either walk to your terminals, or you could just come right here like I just showed you. This is the bus station here. That's gonna take you to 1 and 2 right here. So the bus gonna come right here, and so that's the bus right there. It's gonna come right here. Can't really miss that big old bus, colorful bus. It says airport shuttle, so it's gonna come right here, and then it's gonna take you to either Terminal 1 or Terminal 2. Buenas. Yeah, look, and it's pretty full. Terminal 2. Terminal 2. This is how you get to Terminal 2, and this is how you get to Terminal 2. All the way from the metro with the bus. If you want to get Terminal 1, then just keep going on the bus. Don't get off this exit. So we're in Terminal 2 now. If you want to go to Terminal 1 to rent a car or what have you, or if you want to go to the metro, this is the way to go. So once you're down here, you'll see these signs right here. Car rental. In the middle, got your transportation to take you to Terminal 1 and then to the metro station. So we're gonna head out here, exit P18. Gonna head to the right. And you see the bus right there? That's the bus that you want to take. That's going to take you to Terminal 1 and then also the metro. And that bus runs every 2 minutes or so. So even if you miss this one, you could just wait another 2 minutes or so. It's going to come back around. And just follow the signs here. It says it runs every 5 minutes. Again, this is to take you to Terminal 1 and or the metro stop. It's going to wait for us. See, the bus is a good size. So here we go. We're gonna go to Terminal 1. If you don't want to get off at Terminal 1, but you want to go to the metro stop, then don't get off in Terminal 1. Stay on the bus. If you are departing for Terminal 1, this is your exit. If you're renting a vehicle, this is your exit. If you're gonna go to the metro, then don't get off here. It's the next stop. Terminal 1. So if you're in Terminal 1 and you want to catch the metro or the bus to get to the metro, you're gonna come down here where you see the Avis sign, and you're gonna come out here to the P2, exit P2. This is the bus right here where you catch it. And the next stop's gonna be the metro stop. If you use a wheelchair, they'll open up that ramp so you can park your wheelchair right here. So everything is very convenient, very easy. Al metro. Alright, so this is your metro exit. So you just follow this right here. You're gonna go up the elevator. You can take the elevator here, or you could take the stairs over there. So for the metro, it's number 2. This is where you're gonna go. Okay, and then you wanna go this way, Estación Aeropuerto. Because that way is shuttle buses and exit, and to catch the bus again. But then this way is where you wanna go. So Estación Aeropuerto. So you're gonna come this way. ATMs here, ticket places are right here. This is your map. You're gonna get off of Corredor Sur. From there, if you wanna go up, you take that exit. So we're gonna be going from Aeropuerto, we're gonna head to Corredor Sur, and then we're gonna come all the way down to San Miguelito. From San Miguelito, we're gonna head down. We're gonna pay with our contactless credit card. It says Visa MasterCard, just like that. Place it there. That's gonna open. You come through. The next stop's gonna be Itze, and then we're gonna get up in Corredor Sur. San Miguelito aquí. Ok, míralo aquí, mi amor. Okay, so one observation. So when you come from Corredor Sur towards the airport, make sure you exit towards this way, the right. We exited towards the left. And so we have to go all the way down and then come all the way up again. If your train's coming from the airport, Corredor Sur, and you stop here, Corredor Sur, get off at the exit to the right. And then make sure that you come to this stop, San Miguelito. Yep. So we got off the wrong side. So we got off on the left side, which made us go all the way down and then back up. But if you get off on the right hand side of the metro, then you'll be right here in San Miguelito. Stop. So now we're gonna go to line 1. So here we go. So, okay, so we're gonna go down the stairs here towards Avenida Argentina. This way to Línea 1, Dirección Albrook, San Isidro. So follow this right here. Vamos a ver. We're gonna come up here. It's a two-way traffic. So this side is to go that way, and that side is to come from that way. Okay, so you're gonna go towards line 1. To the right, because if you go that way, that's shops and commercial centers over there. And if you're hungry, or if you want to check out some shops, you can come here, Centro Comercial San Miguelito. It says to enter, it doesn't cost anything. So just come through here, you don't pay anything. Come here and check out the shops and the food. You have a bakery, Pio Pio chicken, you got Subway, Chinese food, a churro place here, donuts, your Krispy Kreme, Shell Express, pizza, Popeyes, Chinese, and Donny, all here. So we just had a quick bite to eat here in the San Miguelito Plaza. Now we're gonna head on to catch our metro. All you do is just walk through these things. You don't pay anything. We're gonna go through Dirección Albrook and then 2, straight ahead. It's gonna be straight ahead this way. Elevador and then 2, Albrook. You have to take that elevator, or you can go upstairs. We're gonna go upstairs. Okay, and then you're gonna come right here, and we put the metro here. That way you see the tall buildings over there. And then on contrast, other homes over there. So we're in San Miguelito, and we're gonna go all the way towards the Argentina and get off there. Anybody else can keep going all the way to Albrook. But this is how you use the metro here in Panama City. If you enjoyed this video, please let us know by giving us a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing to our channel. Thank you, and we're gonna go now from Panama City with the metro.